Hey, it's Palani Pisani, Senior Training Solutions Advisor with AP Safety Training. Today I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to preview and purchase training content by navigating one of our marketing emails. Now, typically we're announcing the release of some new training content, like this office fire safety presentation. You can enjoy full-length previews and learn about all of the different formats available. Now, what I like about this one is that it's also available in microlearning format, which means we've created 6 modules that address different aspects of office fire safety, giving you the flexibility to purchase only the modules you need. When we drill down to the main item page, you'll be able to select your desired format, review any support material, and add the item to your shopping cart and pay by credit card. It's that easy. When you order a single site or corporate license, you'll receive a link via email within 15 minutes to download an MP4 file. At AP Safety Training, we deliver training solutions. What training solution can we deliver for you?